This part 3, and I accidentally stopped because I dropped my phone. I'm at the back of the car because it's very hard to get your phone if you drop it because we're at the mountains right now and it will just slide at the back. But good thing I got it back. Oh, I don't care about looking at Basisco again. But let's get on with the video. Oh, effing shaky camera. We're at Solana right now, by the way. It's a lot of cars. Oh. It's just 3 o'clock in the morning. Sorry guys, but I got to go because this video is going to be 3 minutes long. I'm going to see you in the morning. Bye bye. Oh wait.